Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the walk-behind Encore. There is a 32-inch floating cutting deck. You have your spindles. There are 360 front swivel wheels. This mower has a floor panel that you unscrew for access to your spindles. There is an easy pull pin cutting height adjustment with cutting heights from 1.5 to 4 inches. The rear tires are 13 by 5. This mower does have a Honda 10.5 horsepower GXV 390 engine, as well as a 2-gallon fuel capacity. Coming to the rear, there are T-style controls with your release, wheel drive, throttle. You have the ignition. This mower does have an electric start. There is a rubber chute that flips up. This mower has a top forward speed of 3.5 miles per hour. Once again, this is an Encore walk behind with a 32-inch cutting deck. If you were interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.